Morning, Will Murphy coming at you with everlastingcapital.com. I'm gonna put some stuff out there today. I'm gonna go over the top 3 things that the banks will not share with you. They don't want to share with you as a customer. They won't even want to mention it because at the end of the day, you're not gonna go back to the bank and try to get a business loan. Number one, getting funding through a bank is hard, right? We've been through this. We've been down this road. We know this. I've been through this. My business partner's been through this. Other business partners have been through this. I know people personally that have been through this. It is hard to get funded through a bank, right? They'll take you 60 days and all of a sudden you're declined. You don't even know why you're declined. It's difficult. It's difficult to explain to them and try to pitch your idea, and they won't give you money which doesn't make sense unless you don't need it. Come on. They won't give, let me say that again. The bank will not give you money unless you do not need it. Let that sit, let that resonate with you right now, that going through a bank to get funding is hard. That's number one. Number two, their internal systems. Their internal systems, from application to processing to back-end underwriting to funding, it's not caught up with the financial world. It's not caught up to what we do. Financial technology in most of these banks, I'm not saying all of them, but I'm saying most of these banks, the financial technology, the out-of-date systems, you can't even apply. You go to some of these credit unions, you can't even apply online. You can't do it. You can't submit an application online. You got to go into the bank. You got to get an email. You got to do this, do that, and you can't. The ease, the efficient, fast, simple service going through a bank, it doesn't exist. It does not exist, right? That's number two. Number three is stipulations. As a business owner, stipulations is it's like a bad word. It's a dirty word. Say it with me: stipulation. It's a bad word, and you are gonna get stipulations to death with these banks, right? They're gonna ask for a 4-page application. I filled them out myself. 4 pages. They're gonna ask you for your firstborn, what's your son's name, your wife's name, your social, your wife's social, your property, what do you own, where do you own it, how do you own it. They're gonna ask you your profit and loss, your balance sheet for the last 2-3 years. They're gonna ask 2 years financial, tax returns. They're gonna ask for an AR, AP. They're gonna ask and keep asking, and you're gonna be like, what? And if you don't have that available right now, you gotta build it and you gotta make it up, right? And if you don't have that available, it's not gonna happen. Stipulations, people. Bank funding's tough.